Hey folks, welcome to UnDNR Chevys. Today we're doing the open autopsy of a '08 Grand Prix GXP. I'm sure you've probably not watched any of my other videos about it. So I'm doing another one just because I've had a few evenings of time to tear into Puddin, or I don't know, Bloodbath Betty. I have really kind of like to say destroyed this car, but I think it was pretty much hashed out before I got it. Had a hell of a time getting the driver's seat out. Forgot to move the seat forward before I pulled all the wiring from the engine apart, so I just tried to find a hot wire here to give her some power from a battery. That didn't work, so I ended up pulling the harness out, finding the two wires that ran the seat, and ran her forward from there. Probably gonna pull a lot of the whatever's good in here out and put it on Fleabay. See anything you want before I send this thing to the dump. Probably before you even see this video. Be sure to speak up. Otherwise, I'm just doing this open autopsy. These are pretty. Might see if they fit in my friend's Aztec. Oh. Well, a couple more hours on her and I'll have what I want off of it. Not gonna be much left for the junk man. Got this thing on, well, fell off the pallet, but it's going on there to get moved around. But this is kind of what it's supposed to look like on this side. And this side, oh, a little shorter. Okay, we've taken out the dashboard, pulled out the heater core. Heater core is there. Looks in pretty good shape. Might end up in my 57 project, might end up in the dumpster. Who knows? Decided to get into this one. Cut the floor open. And we have the body bag module. I've already taken the bolts out. So, pretty simple. Yard that out. Doing this one-handed. Pull this and slide this. And it actually, if we can do this right, pulls up. Pull that off. Pull this out. See, it goes at an angle. Now we got the SRS body bag module. It's a sealed bottom. One of the things I want to do is take this, cut the bottom out, see if I can't get to the EEPROM in here, and hook up a EEPROM reader that I've been watching on YouTube about a bunch of stuff to try and read this EEPROM. and see if I can't do something with it before I start actually doing something on ones that I care about. Also, pulling down the ceiling today. Got 2 side curtains that I can save. Huh, you don't see that too often. But I guess she was upside down. Back seats. I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep them or not. I think I'm going to trash them with the car. It's looking pretty sad in here. Whoop. There's the hole for the main harness coming from the engine compartment. That's the firewall pass through. He's going to the engine compartment to the main fuse block. This comes in, and the rest of this mess, well, I guess you get the idea. I don't know how much of this wiring I'm going to pull out. I like leaving a bare carcass and having boxes of parts laying around, so probably pull them. In case you're wondering, that's the yaw control. That's what senses whether your car's pitching left or right or going upside down. There's a couple other things on the back deck. I've already pulled the speakers out. Just reach into a tab. But there's the factory amp, so to speak. Fancier than the one I've seen in the Impalas that I've pulled out. One of the under modules. It lives up front there. There's another one there. Not sure which one that is. Probably the anti-theft. Might pull that out for shits and giggles, just to plug into the harness when I go play with it. Alrighty, folks. Alright. Junk laying all over the place here. In case you're wondering, I cut out the windshield because it was smashed. Put duct tape around it so not to let this thing have any more blood from me that way. So, get the airbags out of the roof. And get the rear suspension out of it. Drop the tank. And I'll be good. Thanks for watching. That's fancy. I might just put it on my wall. Bye-bye.